Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. What's up, grateful gang? Today we're going to be doing our final happy mail for the subscription. I canceled the subscription for Hubman and Chubgirl, and we all know I love it. It's super cute, and I figured might as well just share a video of the very last one that I'm getting. I think it's supposed to be 3 little pigs if I saw it correctly on the Instagram. I'm excited for that. Very cute. And I've been enjoying using them, but it just does not fit in the budget right now. And to be honest, after all of this, I'm not sure I would get the subscription again. Nothing against the subscription. The subscription is great and the quality of these stickers are phenomenal. It's just that I am not been using them like I thought I would. Immediately throw it away. Sorry, it's cute, but we're not keeping any junk. So here is how they come, and I love the way they come, that they can fit very securely in my holder that I have for them, which is also getting pretty full. So another good reason to not get any more. Here is March. So I'm so excited for it. And it is, I love stickers. Oh, it's a sticker book, I think. Okay, I didn't get to see anybody unbox this, so this is all pretty new for me. And so the 2 little die cuts stickers are going to be the little wolf. Oh my gosh, such a cute wolf with a little bow tie, and the little piggy. Okay, we being me. And then you guys, I say we, but I'm single out here on these shirts. Don't get it confused. And the 3 little piggies. So that's what it is. Hubman and Chubgirl March stickers are the 3 little piggies. So adorable. Look, they're little farmers, little trees. This one's got a hoe. This one's got an axe and some straw and some bricks and some wood. Like we know about the story about what they build their houses out of. Let's be big brick builders, babe. Let's be brick builders. And little tools, very cute. And then next we see the houses. So we have our wood house, our brick house, and our straw house, and all the little things. And here comes that bad little middle wolfie. But he's cute. He's very cute. Very nice. And then we have Huff and Puff. So they got some Huff and Puff stickers. And the poor, look at, he's devastated. The little devastated piggies. Oh my gosh. They're so safely in the cute little brick house. Love that. These 2, they didn't make it. Don't do the straw. Don't do the wood, y'all. It ain't the way to go. Okay. It's so funny because I've always wanted a brick ranch. Not because of the story, just because I felt like it really was a well-built house. Look at the postcard. I call it a postcard all the time, but it's a journaling card. Look at this journaling card. It's so cute. Why you gotta be lurking? We see you. But look at the little plaid outfit. Okay, this, look at me. Where your shirt at? Ooh, where your shirt at? But this is so cute. Is he winking at me? I see it. These pigs are so adorable. They're so cute. And so let's just see a little bit about what they say. The 3 little pigs, once upon a time, not too long ago, found myself thinking about the 3 little pigs. Not the huffing and the puffing wolf, but the quiet determination of that last little pig who built his house slowly, brick by brick. Wasn't the easiest way, but it was the one that lasted. I ain't gonna read no more. That right there, y'all, a word. Amen. A word. So then it looks like it says I love stickers. So I'm assuming that the free item in this little collection is going to be a sticker book. I love that. Who doesn't love a little sticker book that you can put your stickers on and then just tuck it in to your binder or whatever you're carrying around? We'll utilize this. I think that's adorable. So far, it's one of my favorite of those freebies. I love my little to-dos and my little sticky notes, but I think a sticker book is it. And it's got the same little cute picture, except we ain't got that. I was gonna say the wolf's not on there, but he's on the back. So he's the same kind of photo with no wolf, but the wolf is tripping over here still, but it's journaling subscription. So I did purchase the journaling subscription when I got it because I work in a A5 binder when I'm doing my calendar and things like that. I'm so excited to set up this calendar spread, and these are the little journaling sticker and cards that come with it, the March stickers. So we get 2 big March stickers for like your monthlies, and then a few for your weeks if you want to put them there, and then more March stickers if you want to use them on weeklies, dailies, however you feel. But I love that they put the little hey, all the different piggies, all the little aspects of the story. And then we have the days of the week. Makes sense. I thought that would be a gray for the fox or the wolf, but I do like the pink for the pig. And the color choices are very pretty. And then they also have monthly date dots and the weekly looking like shrubbery, very cute. And then they have date dots. So these are monthly date dots and these are the date dots. You're gonna use them in your weeklies or your dailies. You can use these, and I enjoyed using them when I was doing them. And now we have our decorative journal stickers, House of Straw. Rethink that plan, my friend. But you know, when you know what you know, you know what you don't know. You don't know what you don't know, right? And so here's my straw man. And here's the House of Sticks. It still got blue over, but you know, it was a little bit better, not just right. But he was trying something. You got to try the straw and the sticks until you figure out the bricks. Okay, and then here we go. Look at that house. That's a house, babes. That's cute. And I love that there was 3 windows, 3 rooms. He wasn't just thinking about himself, you know. He had some room for his brothers in there. Okay, he said, well, I'm gonna have some company. If you notice, the other 2, they only had 1 window. Where the other window? They only had 1 window each. Y'all was just thinking about yourself. Your brother was thinking about all of you, which I really love. I really love. If me always gotta find a meaning behind a meaning, child. Big bad wolf. No, but he's still super cute, guys. Super cute. And the Huffs and the Puff stickers. And I love these because they could be used in so many other ways. Like if you're having a bad day, or you know, like it's a hard time, like girl, me right now, I'll be huffing and puffing. So like just putting on a daily page of how you're feeling that day, or ooh, I'm annoyed. I think these make me really cute for like a mood tracker. And then lastly, just some trees. So nothing really long and drawn out on this particular video. I just wanted to share with you the cutest little subscription. And this is my last one. I'm kind of sad, but I'm kind of good. Also, I enjoyed it while I had it, and I'm looking forward to setting up March, even though we're not out of February. We're getting there, child. So look out for me setting up March in my A5. Nope, my A6. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you've got to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful. Let me know, what do you think of these pigs? Was this really cute? And I really love what she had to say about taking your time to build with bricks. It all matters what you build on, the foundation, the rock. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you've got to be grateful. Super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. I love you. Mean it. Bye.